From other videos, we obtained the coefficient of determination by using Excel functions. This time, we will compute R squared using Excel RSQ function. So, stay tuned. I highly recommend to spend time in typing these values in your PC. This will help you on understanding more the procedures. To compute for coefficient of determination, let's use Excel RSQ function. Type equal sign, then RSQ, then parentheses. It will show what are the requirements. Another way of inserting formula is to go to formulas, then more functions. Select statistical, then scroll down. When you point the mouse to RSQ, it will show that it will give you the square of correlation coefficient, which means the coefficient of determination. Double-click the RSQ. A dialog box will appear that shows the function arguments or the input needed, the expected return, short description of each input, and formula result. To have better understanding about the function, click this link. Internet browser will open. The web page will show short description about the function, the syntax, remarks which provide guides on what data to provide, and formula of correlation coefficient. Then finally, example to get a try of using the function. Now let's go back to our Excel file. Click the box or field of known y's. Select the values of dependent variable y, which is the actual cells. It will show you the reference cells as well as the values of those cells. Click the field of known x. Select the values of independent variable x, which is the trade show spending. Again, it will show the reference cells and the values of those cells. The result will be shown here and also on that side. If everything is fine, click OK. Our coefficient of determination is 0.84441, same with our previous calculation. That's it. Very easy to compute R squared. To know about other ways to compute coefficient of determination, click these end screens. Thanks for watching.